Stage dive, man, I got a lot of shit that's on my mind. Trying to find the perfect way.
What's up, YouTube? Quick review of these Clearwaters. Yeah, I bought them on sale for about 95 bucks. I think on the site they're about 220 right now, which is pretty crazy. I've been wearing them for about 2 months. What can I say about them? They're good. They're comfortable. They have a great sole. They teamed up with Vibram, if anybody knows that. They're a sole manufacturer, and I don't know. They helped with the shoe. It adds to the character of the shoe. Just looks like an overall great shoe. What do I rate them? I'll give them a solid 8. And but yeah, the rest of the video is just on feet. And yeah, I have actually a couple fits on here as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.
You got 3 hours, bro.
I forgot to mention size up on the shoes, 9.5. They say it on the side. I'll link it down below. And yeah.
Like and subscribe. 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 Like and subscribe.